Binding the date picker to a worksheet text box follows the same procedure used on the user form text box, except that on the worksheet, you must always specify the target text box. Let me add a worksheet text box and show you how to do it. As I did with the user form text box, I will double click on the text box and find its mouse down event. Here, I will also write date picker dot, choose to apply date time format, then select general date to get a time picker, place a comma and then specify the name of the text box. Now if I switch off the design mode and then click on the text box, I will get the time picker, well aligned with the target text box. Now watch how useful are the left and top var parameters on the worksheet. Usually when we create forms directly on the worksheet, we style them like this. As you can see, the date text box has been grouped with shapes to form a single shape that makes it clear that this is a date box. And I can move it around and place it anywhere I like. However, if I click on the text box, by default the date picker will align with the text box. To make it align with the shape, I can adjust the left and the top position like this. I have tested these numbers, but you will have to try different numbers until you get the position right. To launch the date picker from a shape icon, you need to create a sub-procedure. Write the same code in it and then assign a macro to the icon like this. Now if you click on the date icon, you get the date picker. That's it with the worksheet text box. Next, let me show you how to bind the date picker to the worksheet cells.